welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. Today we have a beautiful BMW X5 M Sport finished in a metallic tanzanite blue. This is a 2023 3-liter petrol plug-in hybrid with a fully automatic transmission. I will be going through some exterior and interior features. So if you come along here to the side, we have our 21-inch diamond cut upgraded alloys with our red M Sport matching brake calipers. Coming out to the front, we of course have our BMW iconic kidney grills, adaptive LED headlights. Coming out to the side, we have our gloss black trims on the roof and on the windows. Coming out to the back, we of course have automatic opening and closing functionality for the boot. Here we can open it further and accessibly close it as well with the same buttons. Now if we enter to the back, we have our rear privacy windows. We have our cream leather interior with our M Sport Pro stitching. We have USB-C ports for charging in the back of the seats. This is a 4-zone climate control where you can control the heated seats from the back and also the temperature. We have some compartments for storage underneath and in the sides of the doors, and also extra pockets behind the seats. This X5 does come with electronic seating adjustment, which you can save here on the settings. We are now in the driver's seat, which you can push start. And here we have our instrument cluster with our speedometer, and we have our infotainment menu here on the left. Here we have home, navigation, and some media where you can set up Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. And we can put this into reverse, and you can see a view of the back. And we also have reversing assist and parking assist and ultrasonic sound sensors. Moving down, we have some silver chrome accents, and we have our climate controls here and some media controls underneath. Here we have wireless charging, cup holders, and here is our crafted control center with our crystal gear shifter. We have some extra compartment space in the center. Focusing now on the steering wheel, we have heated steering wheel, we have some cruise functions on the left and some media functions on the right. As this is an M Sport, we of course have our automatic pedal shifters. Moving now to the right, you can see the ambient lighting and electronic opening and closing windows, as well as electronic folding mirrors. Above we have our Sky Lounge, panorama glass sunroof. This can be controlled by these buttons here. And then we also have our BMW emergency call button. This car also does come with comfort access, which makes unlocking and locking easier. This beautiful BMW X5 is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across our car selling websites. All BMW approved used cars come with a 2-year warranty. If you have any questions or queries, would like to book an appointment and a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you. Goodbye.